If your coaching business is stuck under 10K, 20K dollars per month, you're tired of live launches, inconsistent leads, or chasing people in the DMs, and no matter how much content you post, your calendar still feels hauntingly empty. This video might be the most important thing you watch all year, because what I'm about to show you is the exact client acquisition system that coaches like Tony Robbins, Alex Hormozi, Iman Gaji, Russell Brunson, Sabri Subi, Charlie Morgan, and thousands of others have used to generate millions in high-ticket sales. And the best part? You won't need to be famous. You won't need to post every day. And you'll never burn out from launches again. This system runs 24/7, it filters leads automatically, and it brings high-ticket clients directly to your calendar, ready to buy while you're working, sleeping, or even on vacation. Before I break it all down, let me show you something that no one talks about. I call it the larger market formula. In any market, only 3% of your audience is actively looking to buy right now. They're hungry, comparing solutions, and ready to act. But the other 97%, they're either researching, problem-aware, or completely unaware. And that's the real opportunity. Most coaches focus only on the 3%. But if you want exponential growth, you must learn to capture and convert the 97% too. The key to doing that is using what I call a high-value content offer, or 8VCO. A simple lead magnet that builds trust, creates demand, and positions you as the obvious solution. So when they're finally ready to buy, they're already thinking of you. Let me show you this system in real life. Not theory, not fluff. A real-world client acquisition funnel used by Sabri Subi, founder of King Kong and author of Sell Like Crazy. This one funnel has helped generate over $7 billion in combined revenue for him and his clients. And it's the exact framework we customize for coaches like you. Step 1. High-value lead magnet. It starts with a PDF, checklist, or short training that solves a specific, painful problem. Sabri gives away a free copy of his Sell Like Crazy book. Why? Because it builds instant credibility and makes the lead think, this guy gets it. No cold DMs, no chasing, just smart positioning. Step 2. Thank you page plus Grand Slam offer. After the opt-in, they land on a page inviting them to book a free strategy session. Not a sales pitch, not a webinar. Just a generous, no-brainer offer to help them, right now. It triggers massive reciprocity and leads straight into action. Step 3. Application plus calendar booking. To book, they must fill out a pre-qual questionnaire. That's how we filter out tire kickers and low-ticket shoppers. Then they choose a time in your calendar, automatically. No back and forth, no ghosting. You wake up to pre-sold, high-intent buyers waiting to talk to you. Step 4. Automated follow-up. For the 90% who don't book right away, we follow up automatically via email and SMS over 30 days. So you stay top of mind. And when they're ready, they come back to you, already warmed up and ready to buy. This works because it doesn't just chase the 3%. It educates, nurtures, and converts the 97%. It gives value before asking for anything. So instead of begging people to buy, you become the only logical choice. We built this exact high-converting funnel and automation system for coaches like you to turn cold traffic into qualified leads and leads into high-ticket clients. We've worked with some of the biggest creators and coaches online, Josh Suniga, Matt Parr, and Andrea Marr, and others who wanted more freedom, more leads, and more revenue without hustle or hype. If that's what you want too. We install your entire client acquisition machine while you stay focused on doing what you love, coaching. So if you're tired of chasing clients, tired of relying on launches, tired of low-ticket chaos, click the button below to book your free strategy session. No pressure, no hard pitch. Just clarity on how we can add 10K, 50K month in high-ticket revenue to your business on autopilot. We only take on a handful of coaches per month, and only if we're confident we can help you win. You started coaching to change lives, not to burn out trying to find clients. Let's build your dream acquisition system. Click the button. Let's talk.